Just gently, gently. That's so nasty. Oh, how is it?
It still hasn't stopped.
Okay, peek.
Okay, close enough.
All right.
It still hasn't stopped.
Danke Shane.
Danke schön. Okay, if you're an idiot, where would you put the keys? Oh, they're right there.
Right there. Idiots think alike.
Lo último que se pierde, aunque a veces me cuesta encontrarte. Eres la sensación de fe que las cosas van a salir bien. Y la motivación que alienta mi alma y me da razón.
Esperanza, te espero, esperanza. Esperanza, te espero, esperanza.
Eres lo que me mueve, lo que me marca la dirección, aunque a veces te pierda en el camino. Te esperé y volviste, siempre nos reencontramos, me iluminas el destino. Ay,
Hi, guys. Hi.
De mi corazón.
I guess I should carry apples.
Eres una fiel amiga.
I'm getting pulled over.
Buenas tardes,
Hello.
señor. Hola, buenas tardes.
Hello,
¿Cuál es su nombre? What's your name?
JJ. Yep.
Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Oh, yeah.
What did? Why are you?
Wait a minute. I stop you.
Okay.
Because don't use the radio, any article, you know, electronic article. Don't use when you're driving. Which is we have many problems.
Yeah, this is just a walkie-talkie though.
Yeah, I
it's
know.
not. It's
I
not
know,
a telephone.
I know. Okay, I know. It's not
Yeah.
really any electronic things, electronic article, anyone.
So no radio?
No distraction.
You
No
can-
distraction. You know.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
And the thing is, and I.
This is Article 78 on 78 on the
Yeah.
rules of BCS. Yeah. Viene como turista, viejo. You're a tourist, huh? No, resident, nothing.
I'm sorry.
I'm not a resident, huh? Are you coming to like a tourist?
I'm a tourist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so I'm editing this video, so I'm just going to explain exactly what happened. It's kind of hard to see, and some of the audio is not that great. It was coming off my dash cam. So basically, they're saying that I was using the radio, and I'm not even sure how they saw it. I'm almost thinking that they pulled me over and saw the walkie-talkie and said, oh, the reason why we pulled you over, we saw you use it, because we weren't, I was not using that radio for probably a good 5 minutes before, and then all of a sudden I saw the lights on. So how would he, like, we were outside of the city and everything, so how would he see me using it? But he saw it, so he would have known I would have used it sooner or later. Anyways, their excuse was there's no handheld devices. Okay, now I'm in Mexico here. There's people driving with their kids on their lap, and I'm not joking. They're sitting there driving, and their kids sitting there like this with their head out the window. 8 guys in the back of a pickup truck that's held together with baler twine, absolutely loaded vehicles. Vehicles were running on the road with no taillights. Like, I mean, just a hole where your taillight's supposed to be. And all of a sudden he's saying, oh, that's a distraction. And I'm sitting there going to him, and I grabbed the walkie-talkie. I says, look, I'm looking at the road, and I talk like this. I said, I don't have to look at the radio. No, it's in your hand. It's in your hand. I said to him, I said, and of course his partner pulls up on a phone that has absolutely no screen on it. It's broken, it's cracked. The law in Spanish on a broken screen. And I said, what am I supposed to do with this? So I says, well, I see truckers all the time using their CBs. I said, they grab their CBs and they talk. I said, they're on every truck. Then he stopped. Oh, well, you know, you're a tourist and you seem like a nice gentleman and all this kind of stuff. I said, yeah, here we go. It's because I'm a tourist, right? Their own people, they don't, I've never seen them pull anybody over for vehicles that shouldn't. In Canada, you would be pulled over and it'd be hauled to the dump. These things are on the road. If you owned a muffler business here in Mexico, you'd go broke because nobody puts mufflers on their vehicles. If it falls off, you leave it off. But anyways, he goes, oh, you're a nice young gentleman, blah, blah, blah. We're not going to take you down to the station. And before coming down here, there's a list of stuff. And they said, no, take me to the station. I got a dash cam, take me to the station. And then 99.9% of the time, they'll walk away. But he says, and don't get me wrong, he's very polite, like shake my hand and all this kind of stuff. But he says, we're not going to take you down to the station, but if you want to make a donation to the police fund, which everybody knows, right? Grease my palm. So I said, oh, what fund is it? Is it for the sick children or the people that don't eat, or what kind of fund? And he just looked at me. So I'm thinking, you know what? I've already made my point and everything. So I gave him 500 pesos, which is less than $40 Canadian. Oh well. But yeah, it was just a bullshit pull, and they told us you're going to get pulled over 99% of the time. You're going to get pulled over. And I talked to people, they said, oh yeah, they pulled over, said you're 5 kilometers over the speed limit. Meanwhile, everybody else is doing 150 kilometers over the speed limit, but you're the tourist, so we're going to pull you over. And they just said, fine, I got a dash cam, let's go to the station. And then usually they walk away and just get in their cars and take off. So, but anyways, it was just a bullshit little thing about, yeah, no, it's a distraction, he says. Like I said, there's people driving with their kids on their laps, no seatbelts. That's not a distraction, but me holding a mic up like this, looking at the road and just talking, that's a distraction. I even looked at him and said, come on, you got to do better than that. Then they're trying to change the story around. It's not me, it's the law, you know, that kind of stuff. But anyways, I thought I'd just do a little bit more explanation.
Did they say what side of the campground they're at? Oh, never mind. I found them. To my left. Lots of room in front of them. All right. Stupid e-bikes. Stupid e-bikes. I'm a happy dog.
So now what?
Hmm?
We
I
wait?
have no idea.
Oh,
Hola. Ya cerramos por tiempo, caballero.
yeah.
Guess I'll make it.
That's a damn good question. She's a little cold. Ah. Not too bad, not too bad. It's a little bit on the chilly part. Little chilly. I'm trying to hold this. Yeah.
Como éramos felices cuando andábamos así y estábamos contentos, pues contentos hasta el fin.
So I took the smaller piece of fish off because obviously look at the size of this thing. So I'm going to put the smaller piece of fish on when I put my prawns on, and then that way they'll probably all cook at the same time. But look at that, guys. Oh, num, nummer. So anyways, guys, this has been on there for about 20 minutes now. So what I'm going to do now is put on the thinner piece of fish, because obviously this big bad boy needs a little longer. So I'm going to just put this guy on here now. And my as well douse this fish with some more of that nice, beautiful. Actually, I think I'm gonna actually change my plan here a little bit. I'm gonna put the prawns on here now. So I'm gonna put these guys on here. So the prawns are not gonna take long to cook. So is that little piece of fish. So I think what I'm gonna do is put the prawns on. Oh, Lori has no idea what she's missing here. I'm just gonna pour this sauce over everything. Oh, one more there. Oh, guys. So that's the red snapper and 10 of the prawns. I actually took the bag and I actually split it. Okay, hold on here. You guys actually see me? So I actually split it up into Ziploc bags. I have 6. So there was 60 of those big prawns. So now each bag has 10 prawns, so when I pull them out, I don't have to thaw them all out. So so 60 prawns, big boys. That big chunk of fish, plus another big chunk of fish in there for sole. And it was like 50 bucks Canadian. And fresh. The boats were just coming in. So it's like, oh my God. Yes, please. So, thank you, Mexico. If you like seafood, thank you, Mexico. All right, guys, I think that's it. We're on the move again. And, okay, shoot. Oh, look at this guy sweeping the concrete. Oh, that's nice of him. Look at that. All right, guys. Sorry, I got sidetracked there. Okay, guys, anyways, we're on the move again. And where next? Who knows? All right. Hope you guys are enjoying the trip so far. I know I am. And seeing some beautiful things. That is one big freaking hosta. I don't even know what that is. What is that? You see stuff on the desert here all the time. It's pretty interesting. Okay, guys. Try this one more time. All right, thanks for coming along, guys. And as always, be good, be kind, be careful. We're going to talk to you guys real soon. Bye-bye. Nice.